Welcome to our second video over the operational maintenance report. These are items that we take care of when we do the planned maintenance for a customer. Today I have Mike here. He's going to go over everything we do under the general truck inspection, which is the number 2 on our list. All right, Mike, go ahead.
All right. First thing we're going to check is the seat. Make sure that the seat works. Make sure that it tilts, slides forward and backwards. And the seat belt works. Basic function. Then the overhead guard. Make sure it's not bent or loose. Then we'll move to the front. We'll check for the fork pins. Make sure that they both work and that they're both intact. A lot of times just the top part will be off and you can't pull it. Then we'll check the forks. First thing, visual inspection. Make sure that they're not bent up or down on the tip ends. Then we'll check the fork by running the gauge in this way. Check it here and here. These forks are good. If it goes past this point here, then they're not any good anymore. It's time to be changed. Then we'll check for the load wheels. They're kind of hard to see, but they're here and here. There's 4 of them. There's 2 on the bottom. Check the backrest. Make sure that it's not bent. Make sure all the louvers are in. All the bolts are in. It doesn't flop or pull. And that's pretty much our operation inspection.
Okay, great. Well, hey, that was our second item on the operational maintenance report. It covered the general truck inspections. Thanks, and you guys have a great day.